Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mary. Yeah. And today's video is going to be about how to style a headscarf 4 ways. And as you all know, I've got low cut hair, and so sometimes I can't be bothered to wear a wig or put makeup on or look amazing. But one thing that always works for me and it looks good and I've been complimented on is a headscarf. Let's get into the video. Okay, so today I've got this plain silk scarf. I always fold it in half because I feel like scarves are always too big.